Hello everyone. This video series is to show you how to automate your trading idea or trading strategy from scratch. I'm going to work on Interactivebrokers platform. I'm going to use IbPy, which is a Python API to connect to IB for trading. I will go through each steps of this project, including connect to IB, get data from IB, implement trading strategy, place orders, put the whole idea online, and then we can see the real result. We can do the analysis, backtest that, improve, or maybe we can optimize that. I'll try to make this series easy to follow, especially for people without any programming experience. I think programming in Python is very easy. So if you have a great idea and want to automate that, I hope this video series can help you. I'm going to use SP500 immediate futures as the trading instrument and use the very well-known simple moving average crossover as the trading strategy. Okay, first let's look at the chart to see what I'm going to do now. Okay, here is the intraday chart. It's November 11th. The blue line is 15 moving average. The red line is 120 moving average. So one is the slow moving average and one is the fast one. The general idea is when the fast moving average cross over the slow moving average, it generates a buy signal. So it's here, 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 and here. This is November 12th. This first buy signal, another buy signal, and then buy signal here, buy signal, and here. The 13th, here, 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 and here. Here. 14th, another one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, please be notified. Okay, please. The strategy here is only for demonstration. By no means I suggest you use that. Okay, it's only for demonstration. Okay. So to code this, to do the program for this one, we need to set up our environment. So in environment, okay. Of course, first one is we have the Interactivebrokers.com, the TWS platform. I already installed that. And then second, we create a folder for all of my files, so we easy to organize that. The third one is install Python 3, and then we install the IbPy package. This is a clean Windows 10 PC. I don't have Python installed, so let's do that. First, let's go to this, create a folder. Let's call that auto trading. Okay, and then we go to python.org, download Windows Python 3.8. I already downloaded this one, so let's open that. Okay, this is the Python 3.8.0. Double click, let's install that. Please remember to check this at Python 3.8 to pass. Install that. Okay. And while install Python, we can go to here. Okay, this is, you search IbPy, go to here, and scroll down, you can see the nodes, okay, installation. You can install Python IbPy from this command line, or you can download the whole thing from here, and then you can install that by Python setup py install. Okay, the Python is done here. Okay, close. Let's open the command window. So we can try to see whether the Python is there. Okay, it's here. So see whether PIP is installed. Yes, PIP is installed. Okay. So let's try to install IbPy by PIP. PIP is a Python utility to install different packages. IbPy 2. Okay, here we go. Looks like it's good. So we have everything installed, and we're going to do the automate trading. The first one is, of course, is connect to IB server. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to use idle IDLE as our code editor. It comes with Python. So open that. Click new file. Let's save that file to save as. Okay, and let's pin this one to quick access. Pin to quick access. So it'll be here. Okay. Yeah, save this here. Let's call the file my IB connection. Okay, let's do the code. From ib.opt okay, there's only one function here. It's defined. When you name a function name, it's really, I mean, depends on your taste. It's not a shame to use a longer one, as long as it can help you understand the code. So let's make a longer name. Okay, let's define a function called give me an IB connection. Okay, and this connection equal to IB. This IB connection is just this IB connection. Okay, and here we need to give the port name. Port. Because IbPy is already installed, actually you can test from here. Okay, from ib.opt import IB connection, and then you can do connection equal to IB connection. See that? It give you the port is 7496. The port is 7496, and there is the client ID. We can give that. You can give any number. Let's give that 12, and then return this connection. That's it. Actually, this is just declare a connection. It doesn't really connect yet. And then we can test that out. So if name is double underscore equal to double underscore main test, let's call that test con equal to give me an AB connection. Okay, and then test connection dot connect a file to save it and run that. Oh, here we go. Sorry, 2 equal sign. Okay, so in this window it said server version 76, TWS time at connection. That's it. We didn't see anything else. So what happened? Let's see. So if you go to the IB, you click this data. See what happens here. It's a peer IP port. Okay, the client ID is 12, and status is connected. So actually we connected, but we just didn't see anything happens. So we need to find a way to monitor the message. Let's define another function. Okay, the function again, I use the longer name. Let's see, it's print out all server message. Okay, print message. This is test connection dot register all and put the sky here. So what they do? It means register all means for whatever message coming from the server, I'm going to call this function to handle that. So generally people call this message handler. So this one we handle everything. Okay, let's try that out. So app file. Here we go. We got server version just like before, and now we get manage account. This is my account list, and then we get next valid ID. The order ID is 1, and then we get some error. Okay. See, this is H farm, US future, and US option, and whatever. Okay. But if you look at the window here, this actually is not the error. It's just a message. And here is the port client ID. Status is accepted. So now we have connection. Okay. And so the message, let's do that, play around to see all those messages. Okay. So the message actually is a structured string data. It's not just a string, it's a structure. So let me show you how this is structured. Okay. Let's see, they got a type. Okay. Message type is message type name, and then message is okay. Let's run that again to see what happens. Okay, here we go. Now again, this server version 76, we got a connection time, and now we see that message type is manage account. So this is message type, and the who message is this one, and then the message type is next valid ID, and the message is this one, and then the message type is error, and the message is this, all those message. So this error here is the message type. It's not a real error, nothing wrong. It's just a message type. It's kind of weird to use message error as a message type, but now we know that. Okay, and if you look at that, status accepted. So we get a connection, and try to be courteous. Let's disconnect that. See what happens. Okay. To disconnect, simply call disconnect, and let's run that. See what happens. It's kind of interesting. So here we go. See that? The old one is disconnected. The new one is disconnected. And here we got a connection time and nothing else. Okay, why is that? Because we send the command to connect and disconnect too fast. IB doesn't have enough time to send back any message. So let's play around that if we please place a sleep here, it's 3 seconds. See what happens. Connect. Here we go. It said sleep is not defined. Okay, so sleep is not a built-in function in Python. We have to use this. It's in the package. There are two ways to do that. From time import sleep. So it's in the time package. From time we import sleep function. Now it should work fine. Okay, do that. Here we go. It's exactly as before. We get the connected and then we disconnect it. Let's do that again. You monitor this window. Okay. See accepted, then 3 seconds, disconnected. Okay, so that's how we do that. Okay, now the port is 7496. It's here. 7496. Okay, so if we change that to 7497, what happens? Let's do that. Okay, this is message type is error code 506, couldn't connect to DWS, confirm is enable active as or whatever. Basically you couldn't connect that. Okay, the port is not open for connection. And let's see if we try to change this one to 7. Apply. Yes, if you apply the new socket port immediately. Otherwise, okay. Yes, let's do that. Here we go. If you change the port to 7, then this is 7. Okay, 7 works. Let's change that back. I don't really suggest you to change any default configuration, because at the very beginning we just play it for fun to try to understand that. Okay, so what do we got here? We got a connection. We got all those message back, and we know that the message is a structured data. There is a message type, and we can catch all those message by date or message handler. Okay, they handle all those data. So for IB, actually, this is kind of like let me try another thing. Okay, here after I send the connect message, okay, I immediately put a print connect is sent. Okay, let's do that. So see, we do this server time, then TWS add connection, and then connect command is send, and then we get this message type, all those message up back. So what it means? It means when we connect that, we didn't really get message immediately. It's not sequential. If it's sequential, then we should get all those message back. We should get all those message back before the print command, right? We're not, so it's not sequential. It's it called async programming, okay? Which means like just like a mailman, okay? They come to a mailbox and they throw a newspaper in that, and then the mailman just gone. He doesn't care you read or not read a newspaper. You just throw that away, or even burn the newspaper in the fireplace. He just come every day and put the newspaper in your box. This is kind of like async. The connection, they just keep getting the data, getting all those messages, and then that's it. Let the message handler do the job. The handler can spend an hour to process the data, or just throw that away, or spend 5 minutes, spend 3 seconds. It doesn't matter. The connection just keep getting data, It doesn't care how you handle that. This is called async programming. Okay, so I think enough for today. This little program give us the connection. Actually, only 1, 2, 3. This is 3 lines. 1, 2, 2 lines. Only these 2 lines for the connection. And this line and this function is for monitor the message. I think enough for today. What do we get? So get here is day 1, part 1. We can connect to IB. We can get message from IB server, and we can monitor these messages. There are various message types. I need some kind of delay for IB to reply. I think enough for today. If you get a question, you can just Google that. There are a lot of answers on the web, or you can just post on the command area. I'll try my best to reply that. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.